I have a secret obsession with decluttering our house and making sure that anything that's not been used in the past 2 months or 3 months goes out of the house, mostly for other people to use it since we're not using it. But my family started joking with me and saying that if they stand still for more than 2 minutes or 2 hours, then I'm also going to pack them in a box and send them to the charity shop just around the corner from our house. And with this, I thought today that I'd like to speak about decluttering. And I think most likely you're probably thinking at this moment, I'm not at all organized in my house. I'm not decluttering at all. There's so many things that I can throw out. But actually, I want to not look at the external world and think about the external decluttering that you can do, but rather the internal cluttering. As much as we all have things around in the house lying around there that's not being used and that is not useful for us anymore and that somebody else could maybe use, the same way there are probably a lot of clutter in your mind and something that you can declutter in your internal world, some old patterns that's no longer serving you and that's no longer of use to you, and to maybe upgrade. Almost like if you think of how many times you upgrade all the apps on your phone and on your computer, but you never upgrade the belief systems within yourself, in your internal world. So the way that I love to explain this to my clients is the sun never stops shining. The sun always shines and it's always there. It's just on some days, some clouds are moving in front of the sun. And the only thing that we do in coaching is like removing the clouds so that you can see the light again and so that you can see clearly. So in essence, what I would love to leave you with today is thinking about what would your internal certainty and clarity look like if you declutter a little bit on old thinking patterns and thought systems that's no longer serving you. If you decluttered that, how much space would you actually have to focus on the things that you do love? How much energy would you have to take the action that you really want to do that's going to get you where you want to get to? So, as I said, in essence, what can you declutter in your internal world today? I would love to hear from you.